Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how to remove the shift knob and the gaiter on the Volvo XC60. I am doing this on my XC60, but the procedure will be the same for any other Volvo with this big gear lever. So we start by popping the gaiter out. I will put it in neutral. And raise the gaiter up above the shift knob, like this. And now we do have two clips that we need to pry out, one on this side and one on the front. And for the clip on the back, we'll put the car in park. And for the clip on the front, we'll put the car in drive. So I've put the car in drive now, and the pry tool is still between the clip so that it doesn't clip back in. And once you've unclipped the two clips, the gaiter will come down. And now we'll take out the shift knob. The car right now is in neutral. And the shift knob is now out, and the gaiter just pulls out also. And refitting everything is super easy. We'll do everything again in reverse order. So we'll start with the gaiter. These two clips are on the behind, and the single one is in the front. And slide the shift knob in. And just hit it a couple of times and clip it in. So that was that for this video. Perfect DIY if your Volvo has some wear and tear on the shift knob and you need to replace it, or if the gaiter is damaged. And if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.